Hi, GC News. Beba Obibia Akwaba. So we are subscribe to the channel now. Best say over subscribe. What the other say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. Where is our new video piano? I be upload once everything. After we are now like video, give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for so now. We know now one trade. So I say had the latest and hot news of Kwana midday Bremo. Afriyie and some about the Yeti and some Akoto
baby anopay Kwabena me wo hona obi prompting me say me ko he channel bi so na onua duka akotena baby duka mrekuduka ose ono oni mining site bia nti me imagine say next week me boabo adoma no na me de omako nti me srawo ya ma me journalist na me fa omonko kochini site no be penny pack akra free wa. Now,
yeah, how are you going to prove that any site like Nidin Eboho? Oh, for us to know.
Kwabena, anything. Say site be a wura.
Yes, but wait me do search baby say high site.
Oh,
how are you going to tell us any site?
Say me the oko me do who we are. I know. What you say?
Yeah.
Say obi won a mining site. Obi anim say site we task mining ewo papa we edin mu. Na obi de Takashi ababeje free nsem. So they kwa community mining.
Okay.
Na dabi o na ye hwan ya. E hwan site. Those things are not difficult to prove. Say e media and wabeje. And I would say, and so also would the Akufo-Addo any a friend is saying, Abujina picture na aboho. No, I hear community mining sign the Jesse ho. Me better na haka and I did chain on could choose signboard ni fio. Ni na who videos ni na ho. Could and as I say, Omugusu no more de yajma. Obi crampo Asian machines are a seaside. Omo ankwa nkoto omo machine omo de machine na aye obi dia no e no omo de ye adwuma no including bibia ekoso bia wo bia nipa na ne setup na bibia Owusu enti no free next week iko no me pese me je break akra na me de ko ese adwuma no ba me pese no so ye kwa ye be ne live na ye be twa drone shots ni bibia na ye hwe how duka mrekuduka asai forest because I want everyone to trace Bibia to Ejuma make in the next week. No, men conquer yes, and make Kwaku Annas Namakote Tenemecha there be. That is why I am announcing it to the public. Say, so was so on your bonibia. Me pesegana funi ne say, oh, why papa, what di Jumason Abua onua na Juma. Nti yebeko onua so ne constituency ne yebeko other constituencies ne de ye de beto ato so ba me ko hyase afri constituency e wo takwan so ayem na Ghana fo nyina ehu na afi ne driver na odi ne sika dwane ye ne nsoso no eno ho asem no nsoso yebeko abusu afia kwa akobusem kwan ye scan fa so ni gold ni nyina fa so yiraye e kwan yo fa so nya gold e yiraye ni nyina yebeko akobusa nti eno de that is just by the by. Kwabena, I think say over the last few weeks someone abeto dwaba ko pa me sheda any etiefo ni hu komo eye Mahama ninkita hudi a msoni central for di no say after sa inkita hudi no say me share da ne atiefo ni hu komo say wo de waka bia I mean fa kunya Owusu na me mo abaso pa one onua blessed God's brain Kojo Kyeremanteng smart Bobi Bakwabra I think say on that day no the speech now JMI no any the questions and answers now a buy no emu best mienu and catch him attention the rest ni nyina no e idea I say wa kan na kwabra the chim attention pa ye agrek kwabra it looks to me say I say campaign no enu pa na wasn't the pivot around which all other facets because kwabra so we share the policy na won the 2016 manifesto mu na all the total 2020 there you are able to predict say he will still go ahead with the same policy no kwabra kai say in 2016 ansa na ban be kwa wiye no na wakọ Canada akwakoje bosia bia sika bia na ye famekwa grant it was 150 million Canadian dollars na says kan o mu busa ajo Mahama se o de be ye den and o say opese oma agrek mechanized in fact enura enkomani ye dibi e wo ba bi no and a trim agency so say and my main research about it Kwabra, do you know say as at 2016 oil manifesto no na ewo mu say de enkofoi efre no PM on friend saying planting for food and jobs no PFJ na agric mechanization policy bia odeba. Now this is how he was going to go about it. Or say fani say uye kuyeni opesa wodo asase be se bia 10 acres. Furi em fani ke tuwe bi 10 acres. Na 10 acres na opesa wodo no. Uni tractor ebedo afuo no. Enu nti ekwan ye obefa so obeboa oni say o ye machine center and yen chire musa machine center ho ko ho a ye tractor edo ye wo de funtum asase ye wo de edua ye wo de etwa ye wo machine a pete fidie kafu de no insecticides ne de embema enobae no moa bi mra mewe ne sa ne manoma ne nyina omo wo sa machines ni bi no omo wo de egusu nsuo ni nyina machines ni nyina oyese wo kra ni nyina bi abagana na company a oni omo kodi sankita ho no na machine ne cost ne bibia no financial centers na onsi ya no krampo ne nyama na machine ne cost ne around $138 million. It was say scanning po the Canadian dollar na nso a or the Ghana sika be shem na kwa tractors ahodo Kwabena Aremeyaw say mentimi amfa video no enkan be boa ma atiefo anya muntiase papa all these things are part of enyoma oma communicate already but because na sabre no na yadwen are very focused on your friend is saying abamu sensem de ekoso ne nyoma nti no hwe ya ase no wanya media blackout enti I was tagged by his decision say it was osari treaty ni agricultural policy no but the okanya fundamentally a chema adwene pa ne say o say oyekuani Kwabena wonim say Ghana hanso John Mahama papa ona na ema ye mudi in the 80s ona na ema ye bro in fact omo farm no is what it he was the biggest farmer in this country John Mahama papa etiada what church mo cast wonu so ye kuani no mami feel say odene ho ahyem Kwabena, me so growing up, my father was a poultry farmer, a thick farmer, and he's a great person. To me, no, I know much about agric. And until now, John Mahama could see Commander Sugar Factory, we could be a video. He said, "By video, I came meant my family." And a idea, I catch him attention, pa. But Kwabena, the person we busa in this before say, how do we decentralize this communication to Kuania or where from? And only me both here and me ba say neno, me pese, me your attention akoso. Because John Mahama ba no, we saw positive your friend is saying with agric and she say anye biano koko nkwampo kra na ewo ho no yehu se koko yenya almost 1 million metric tons meboa. Now waka bibia fa cashew ho enane nansa enane 4 days kra ene your friend me free sampa you say your cousins ni bi o sampa a omo ka che me say minya sika kakra nka me famra ne kodo cashew ewo sampa mi busa say how do we communicate enyoma ewo John Mahama ne agricultural policy nim to nipa omo dokua ewo friend say nkurankura no nti eno ya ade a mepe NDC for omo ebema ye nsoso yehu na se kwa bi wo ho aye nyina ebetimi aboa because yan aye kuafo ne de ye pese ye nso ye de ahugim ne ye boa na saa ayi no ye friend say agricultural way no ye timi ye now so wo hwe PMFJ ekwan na wo se nkomo fa so ye no na Kwabena unim se me no ka say former agric minister ochami Akoto ba no wodo afuo bi wo bono ho ho kraye bono na okay se nkranza ho nyina ye bono
yeah
that area nim enclave nim ho Kwabena so duru se afuo nim ahun wa hwe abeka so sisa Ghana afuo machines nyina de akogu afuo ba akum se ade a na wo so de yema obi anya so mfa so no wa obai wa fa policy no and wa personalize no and wo de akwakodo no anafuo wo kwaye nim enti Kwabena sa na ebu man say or your agric minister unto himself enti enemy no ka say no all the agric sector no enyoma ekoso a enkoso nyina no because of how or mismanage says can e buy no or the BCC signboard so ko president edi ni nyina no me kai say nyina ya discuss ba Kwabena de mi hu pa so ye agric minister obedi na ade a ono de enya agric ne hu no odwene sani obeto hotel no ne abusuafo akoche Brian Echampon
yo no se o yo sonfo
o ye den
osonfo
anya ne dia
eso
o yo osonfo
na sana am tie so afuduma no
ai o kan o remember yes maranado
na me say na wo ka kwasa afuduma na wo kan dada
na odwen se ono a
Dabi oka asafu no
boaboa no
asafu no
oka
asafu no say what days na church members ni bi ono kra me kasa no chese oyi mbisa say infa branch
owo ya asemo
mbisa say infa branch no wanti yenhu no central da no so mon transfer ni din emfa ma
ani ohun ti ni ntimi ntere ho
as time goes so yes e dware no
ohun ti ni ntimi ntere ho sa the born in the doors
yes e dware
and you know these are things that I think say we should begin talking about because Kwabena, I think say the center can no longer hold, especially when we know that
Owusu was sack my branch.
Any or sakem, any or sakem, or sakem.
But I think Urezi should be about how the NDC can decentralize the information.
It's very important. It's something that is on my heart because I don't want to venture into any other thing apart from agric.
In the next coming years, NDC in Penifo may catch on say, maybe given the opportunity, say NDC winia, the first thing they must focus on is agric and to make sure say eduania bekrum. Or say onipa didi emea
ne how ko form
woni ne ka bibia otiase.
Yes,
woni ne ka so ma time otiase, woni ne ka se otiase, but say come di nipa no and the person is and hope ni nyina say nipa no benya aduane adio.
That's the most important.
Aduane ya affordable. Ya ne won chire ni bebre. And I think I will support this.
The next thing that I want to discuss this dual citizenship.
Let's do it another time because we have just less than 6 minutes
to go.
Yeah.
Oh, so are we that late?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Interesting.
So my imagine say if you may they pledge way to a chief for him.
Yeah.
I would rather discuss John Mahama and the way forward, knowing that Sebi Kwasia di uswa one way better than Kwasia. And if you know I would want to pay much attention to the John Mahama beye abuama on my way at Nyan to pa efra.
That's all.
Rather than say
that's all.
I mean
so quick one. Napo on Masema no. Then you did chat to Amagana for that if a running mate decides to go around, so I say no.
But there is this word that I don't know if you know about it. There is a word called Napoleonic syndrome. Really? Have you heard that word? Oh, say Napoleon Bonaparte.
Okay.
Now, okay.
Yeah.
And that word Napoleon, I think, say he is also affected by that word because of the Napoleon Afriyie.
Yo, waiting for because just so and our no, so we can subscribe or ya necessary open subscribe. Now I like it. Now, if you watch a video, I'm off for so in your now. Was over to me a chair what in Afriyie and some week now, I will comment box me. Mobati interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.